This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Beautiful deep waterfront home with bulkhead and boat dock and just a short distance to the north end beaches. Gorgeous brick ranch with a wonderful bright and open floor plan featuring a large chef's kitchen, a glass-enclosed sunroom, lovely primary suite with new luxurious bathroom, spacious living areas, custom moldings throughout, built-in bookshelves, gas fireplace and loads of updates including a new roof and new 18 Seer HVAC. Multiple decks and patios overlooking the water, beautiful mature landscaping and a side-load garage all complement this amazing home. November 15, 2024. For more information, review the details below.